it was vibrating. The moment I reached near the wall, it was vibrating. I could feel that something is there, some obstacle is there in between.
Call them. This is a LED. It produces light, and here is a photodiode. When the LED produces light and it is reflected by a obstacle, let's say, it'll fall on the photodiode. The photodiode is connected to a motor such that when light falls on the photodiode, the circuit gets completed to a motor. The motor acts like a vibrator. That's the reason why it was vibrating. LED produces light. When light falls on the photodiode, then only this circuit gets completed. When the light falls on the photodiode, the circuit gets connected. I find it innovative, and I haven't seen this project anywhere else. Yeah. So this cap is very advantageous for blind people. They don't have to completely rely on the stick they are having. This sensor cap can be used for detection of obstacles for the blind people. It's really helpful. Right now, we are using infrared sensors. This can only have a distance of 12 centimeter. That's very less. But we can use a sonar sensor instead of infrared. With the help of sonar sensors, let's say we can have a distance of 3 meter. It starts vibrating a little bit. When we keep going forward, the vibration can be when we use sonar sensors can be programmed such that when it reflects, when the signal is reached from a human skin or human bone, such that the circuit does not actually be completed. We can actually integrate a small circuit like a computer or something, such that it won't actually detect the humans. Okay, let's say there's a human and the vibration level will be a specific amount, but when there's an obstacle, the vibration will be higher. In such a case, he'll get used to it. Of course, he'll get used to it. For example, let's say there's a human and he feels a vibration. He'll get used to that feeling of a human. But when there's an obstacle, there'll be a different level of vibration. Let's say when there's a human, there'll be like a Morse code, like alternating vibration. But when there's a obstacle, it vibrates completely, something like that. Okay, fine. Items I could actually get from previously made items, like most of the things, and then we just built onto it. So this actually the cost, I'm not sure, maybe around 40 to 50 kd, but we couldn't get all the items we actually needed. For example, we couldn't get the sonar sensor we actually wanted. Not did we get the Arduino or any of those items. This because I'll say it's the limitation of living in Kuwait. Indian Central School. My favorite subject is I like physics. I actually want to become a physics professor. I want to become a scientist.
Become a nuclear physicist. Physics and maths. Starting with thinking to do something innovative where people can be really helped with this. So we started surfing the net, but we couldn't get much from it. So then we started thinking creative, and then we came up with the idea, why don't we just put sensors on cap and actually you make it useful. Then slowly we got more ideas, and we finally decided we'll make a cap for the blind which can be used for everyday life.